Hey everyone, Momentum Vida E Plus marks a strong new entry in the premium urban e-bike segment, blending comfort, technology, and reliable performance for city riders. Priced at $2,480, it positions itself as a high-end choice for those who want both power and polish in their daily commute or leisure rides. The bike's design language is clean and contemporary, with 3 stylish color options: Abyss Black, Mountain Air, and Caramel Cinnamon, and size choices of S and L to accommodate a range of riders. At the heart of the Vida E Plus lies 500-watt sync drive Move S motor that delivers 60 Nm of torque, giving the bike smooth yet potent acceleration with a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour. This performance makes it a Class 3 e-bike, suitable for riders who want a bit more thrill on open roads while still staying street legal. Powering the system is a 700 watt-hours energy pack battery, capable of reaching up to 55 miles on pedal assist or around 43 miles using throttle mode. The battery supports fast 48 volts 3 amperes charging, reducing downtime between rides, while maintaining UL 2849 safety certification. Momentum has built the Vida E Plus around its Alux aluminum frame, ensuring a balance of rigidity and comfort. The bike includes an SR Suntour XCM suspension fork with 80 mm of travel, which helps absorb shocks from uneven urban terrain, potholes, and curb transitions. Complementing the suspension are 26 by 2.4-inch wide tires that further enhance ride stability and comfort, making it suitable not only for city streets but also for light trails and park paths. Stopping power comes from 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes on both ends, offering precise and consistent braking even under load or in wet conditions. The drivetrain is an 8-speed setup, optimized for a range of riding situations, from slow climbs to fast commuting stretches. At around 61.7 pounds, the Vida E Plus is fairly manageable for an e-bike with such a large battery and motor. It can carry a maximum combined load of 300 pounds, making it practical for carrying groceries, work gear, or a loaded pannier set. Technology and connectivity are core to the Vida E Plus experience. A full-color LCD display is mounted on the handlebar, providing real-time data such as speed, battery percentage, and lighting status, while also supporting Bluetooth connectivity. The bike includes the integrated Vida E-Lock system and is compatible with Momentum's companion app, which allows users to manage settings, track rides, and access security features. Momentum's attention to safety and convenience extends to its support for a wide array of accessories. Riders can customize the Vida E Plus with optional front and rear racks, fenders, panniers, cargo straps, and even a rear-view mirror, allowing it to double as a utility commuter or weekend explorer. Overall, the Momentum Vida E Plus stands out as a premium, well-equipped e-bike tailored for modern city living. It combines high torque output, impressive battery range, and a thoughtful design that caters to comfort and functionality. For riders looking for an elegant yet robust e-bike that bridges the gap between leisure and performance, the Vida E Plus offers one of the most balanced and refined packages currently available in the urban e-bike category. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.